Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial. The first part of it is niche research. As I have told you earlier, that niche research deals with getting to know what people are in need, so that you will be able to provide them the information that will meet what they need. Now, there are some ways of which I normally use in order to get my own niche or what to write on. I don't just write. So let's go to the procedure. So the best way in making your research is using Amazon itself, because Amazon is one of the platforms we are going to be using. So the best way is to go to Amazon itself. Now, assuming you want to write on weight and loss, just come here, search on weight. You can see it's already bringing it. Weight and loss guide. I just enter. You can see now there are a lot of weight and loss guide here, but that's not how to start. Just come here. There's a place here and click latest 30 days. That is last 30 days. When you click on the last 30 days, the last 30 days, the book that are published based on weight and loss for the last 30 days. You can see now you can have the ideas of what to write on. It said a guide to weight loss, your rapid weight loss. You can see how to combat the keto diet, and you can see that's how to scroll on them and you check what they are writing on. So you can still proceed further. By coming to this place. Click on coming soon. So these are the ones that are yet to release their book, but they have been writing on it but yet to release it. So the weekly vegan meal plan. These are the topics. So assuming you want to concentrate on making money, you can just click here and click on making money guide. And just come here. You can see a beginner guide to stock market. Everything you need to start making money online today. Making money, guide to invest. So you can come to this place also. The place I showed you, the last 30 days. Click on the last 30 days. Making money online. In financial freedom. Turn your RFE to income generation marketing. Real estate investment. This will give you the ideas of what you are to write on. Don't just write them because you want to go into the information marketing. You just pick on any topic. You need to pick on the topic that sells, the topic that people are delighted in buying, in reading. So like this one now. This one is even talking about the NFT for beginners. So it's really talking about the 5 coin. So here, that's how you are going to get your information. And another thing I do make my research is to come on Facebook. When you come on your Facebook, to install a plugin I call my ad finder. my ad finder. You can see I already installed it on my own system. So come to Google, click on my ad finder, click on it. So it's an extension. You said here you will see add to Pro. Because I've added already, that's why it's being removed from Pro. You add it to your Pro. Immediately you add it to your Pro. Your Facebook account. After you come to your Facebook account, you come to this side. You can see my ad finder. So you click on it. Immediately you click on it. Show only ad. Show only ad. Or show only ad. See, the screen has changed now. This is my normal screen. When I turn it to show only ad, ad. Moving from auto scroll. Let us scroll down. The first one, stop spreading. The best way to do the emergency of the new COVID-19. That is now. You can write on anything that has to do with how to stop the spread of COVID-19. This one talks about the use of Photoshop with your Twitter. Write on anything that has to do with Photoshop and you post it. And in the next video I'll be talking about how you are going to market it. So this one, let us check. Let us continue to check. Do you want to improve your acquire skills and so continue to scroll down. Get the latest trending topic that people that people need, that people want to buy. Now, if you want to focus on parenting, you can just come back to Amazon. Just click here, parenting guide, parenting. That's another niche. Parenting, care for your baby and your child. So you see, this one is even writing in edition. That is, parenting will be a good niche for you to go into. So it's writing 17th edition, birth to age 5. This one is full circle parenting, a guide to crucial conversation. 3 cycle. You see, that's how to make your niche on the topic to write on. So you can just suggest anything, like think of what again, maybe dog guide. The ultimate pet health guide, a kid guide to the dog, and people are buying. You can see this guy has 2,142 reviews. That's not the sales, but the people that have dropped their review. And having these 2,000 reviews, you will have said even close to 10,000 or 50,000 reviews before you have these 2,000 reviews. This one that is having 350 something reviews have said close to 5,000 or more reviews, copies of reviews, before you can ask this particular review. And this one that has 6,000 plus reviews must have said close to 100 or 50,000 views before dropping this, because it's not everybody that buy the ebooks are willing or come back to drop their review. That's what I know very well. You may even sell up to 20, 10 ebooks and none of them will come to drop the review. None of them. So you can see this one now gets 791 reviews. That is this dog guide and anything that has to do with pet animal guide is one of the best links here now. You can see 141 reviews. You can see their reviews, 639 reviews. You can come here 752 reviews. You can see 182 reviews. So this is the best place to come for when it comes to niche research. So this is the best place to come and to see how people are doing their business, how people are branding their business. So this is the best place to come. So in the next tutorial, I will be teaching us how you are going to spy on your competitors. We are going to beat them to dust.